Welcome back to our IT asset management video series. Today we are diving deep into software asset management or SAM, a critical component for any organization dealing with license, renewal and compliance risk related things. In this video, we will explore how SAM in ServiceNow can automate licensing, optimize cost and strengthen your software governance. Let's begin with SAM administration and automation, the foundation for managing software assets at scale. ServiceNow provides out of the box tools to streamline every part of software license management. Supports for multiple license models, including per user, per device, and concurrent licenses. Workflow automation for entitlement, validation, license, reclamation, and software requests. Clear calculation of your license position showing what you own, what's deployed, and where you stand. And powerful auto discovery via integration with tools like SCCM or ServiceNow Discovery, ensuring no untracked installations slip through. These capabilities reduce manual overhead and give you real time visibility across all licensed software. Software inventory and license optimization. Now let's move to the next key area, inventory and optimization. ServiceNow CM gives you a complete software library listing all titles, versions and publishers in use. Using this centralized inventory, you can monitor actual license usage across departments or business units, identify our licensed or underutilized software, saving money by relocating or retiring unused licenses. Plan smarter with renewal planning tools which provide insights ahead of contract expiration. Optimization is where SAM brings real value, reducing wastes and improving procurement decisions. Usage monitoring and metering. Effective SAM is not just about ownership, it's about how software is used. ServiceNow usage monitoring features let you track installation of software across your environment, usage thresholds, so you can flag software that's not being used enough or used more than expected. Application metering offering insights on how often certain tools are opened and used, and user based insights understanding who uses what, when, and how often. These insights allow you to right size your license and ensure software matches actual demand. So let's explore same on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and if you want to see the software assets, type software here, and then under the assets these are the different tables which contain different information like license and different, like if we go to this table, asset license entitlement, then this shows that it is allocated to this and the display name is this and licensed by this. If we open this record, it shows its display name, located to and licensed by. And if we open user license entitlement, so this is what it is assigned to this user, display name is this and licensed by company is this, like this is licensed by Microsoft Office Professional. And if we go to this contract license, then This shows all the software licenses like contract number, the vendor, name, start date, end date, its state, and all the information related to that contract or licenses here. If we open any record, so contract model is software license, its vendor is this is contract number, and its date is expired. You can see that it's showing all the information. It's also showing its financial, renewal terms and conditions. So in this way, it contains all the information related to software assets. Vendor and contract management for software. Finally, let's talk about the vendor side of SAM. ServiceNow helps you manage the contracts and relationships that support your software ecosystem, track contract terms including entitlements, support, and licensing models, set up renewal alerts well in advance to avoid surprise expirations and auto renewals, monitoring compliance tracking, ensuring each license stays within usage limits, and use vendor scorecards to evaluate supplier performance based on cost, delivery, and support. This brings procurement, legal, and IT together in one shared view, making vendor management smoother and more strategic. Let's wrap up this with a quick summary. ServiceNow SAM provides centralized admin and automation for software licenses. It enables deep inventory tracking and optimization, helping reduce software costs. Real-time usage, monitoring supports smarter decision and better compliance. And robust vendor and contract management keeps your renewal terms and partnerships on track. In our next video, we will look at hardware asset management and how ServiceNow supports the physical assets lifecycle. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and stay tuned as we continue to explore ServiceNow iTAM.